Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Super excited to show you guys the all-new 2026 Bennington 25QX. This model was just redesigned by Bennington for 2026. It's got a really sleek exterior on it. We've got these integrated dock lights and nav lights, pop-up cleats forward and aft. We've got extra storage up here in the fiberglass cladded area in the bow. This is a tritoon. It's got the ESP package on it. We've got the 73-gallon fuel tank on it. As we move back, you can see this boat has the cladded arch. This is in Gemini black. Got a really beautiful area here in the back with this recessed grate and the QX logo. Got a removable flagpole, extended aft deck, pop-up cleats here in the back as well. We've got some underwater lighting on this boat. As you can see, we've got this huge 425 Mercury Verado V10 on the back. This has the extended aft deck with the lily pad ladder. This boat is in the swing back layout. So let's hop inside and I can show you a little bit about that. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 2026 25QX. This boat is a beautiful boat with the Modesto brown interior and the Mythos gray accents. Beautiful color combination. We've got our removable cup holders that you can move throughout the boat. We've got our flip down armrest with our cup holders as well. Adjustable headrests, lots of storage underneath these consoles. We've got our Rockford Fosgate audio, a nice little phone charger tucked away there. We've also got our in-floor storage down here. Center line, if I can get it. Here we've got our newly redesigned Helm. We've got the raised Helm with the Vivid UX dash. So we've got a 12-inch Vivid UX screen up front here for all of your running stats, your fuel consumption, your RPMs, your speed, all that good stuff. We've got our 7-inch display here for your touch screen, all your digital switching. We've got a nice tilt steering wheel, 12-inch Simrad over there for your chart plotter. We've got our digital controls here. We've got with Mercury Active trim. We've got some tucked away cup holders and a nice little locking compartment there. This boat's equipped with the Rockford Fosgate audio, so we've got 6 speakers throughout the boat, 2 on the arch here, and we've also got a 10-inch subwoofer down there. This boat does have a power bimini top, which is new for 2026 as well. So we've got the power folding sports arch with the power bimini top. Makes it super easy to use. We've got our port bench exchange here on this side, as well as our deluxe swing back. This is a really nice configuration because you can face forward or you can swing this backwards, face rearward, and with that retractable keeper rail that you see around the bottom of the sun pad, you can face rearward legally underway. And if you want to, you could stow this all the way tucked down in this compartment and use these multi-position backrests here in the back. So you can lay out in the sun nice and comfortably. Guys, if you want to come check this boat out or you have any questions about it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.